Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Learn how to disassemble and reassemble the Fisher and Paykel Nova Micro CPAP mask in this video. To disassemble this mask, remove the cushion by lifting the tab and peeling it away from the frame. Remove the headgear by pulling the side strap so that the opening stretches up and over the frame posts. To reassemble this mask, attach the cushion by pulling the cushion over the frame lip and the bottom corners over the frame. Make sure the FNP logo is facing outward to ensure correct assembly. Attach the headgear by hooking the strap openings over the frame post on both sides. Make sure the logo and mask name are facing outwards as well. Your mask is ready for use again.